Thank you for your interest in NuVue's Smart Modular Garden. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your smart modular garden. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Remove components from the retail box. Step 2. Turn the planter over so that the folded legs are facing upward. Step 3. Slide leg forward to unlock it. Step 4. Pull leg so it is fully upright. Step 5. Push the leg down to lock it firmly in place. Step 6. Repeat steps 3, 4, and 5 for other side. Flip planter over on its feet. Step 7. Open larger front and back panels all the way and fold to upright position, making sure both tabs on the bottom of the panels lock into base when folded upright. Step 8. With the large front and back panels in the upright position, unfold both end panels so that they lock into the front and back panels. Push the top and the bottom of the end panels until they are flush with the front and back panels. Some models of the Smart Modular Garden come with extension legs to allow it to be elevated to 33 inches. If your model has the extension legs included, follow these steps. Step 1. To attach the optional extension legs, position them at the bottom of the fold-down leg and push them into place until the locking clips are engaged. Step 2. The Smart Modular Garden comes with 2 stabilizing feet. The feet can attach to the planter in a 22-inch height or to the fully extended 33-inch legs. To attach, push the bottom of the planter legs into each socket of the stabilizing feet. Step 9. Installing your capillary mat. Unfold the supplied capillary watering mat. Step 10. Insert the 2 long tabs on each side of the capillary watering mat into the slots on the base of the planter. Ensure tabs are all the way into the storage tanks. The capillary mat is now installed and will provide even watering to your plant's root system. Add soil and plants. Enjoy your growing experience. Multiple smart modular gardens can be used together to create endless configurations. Here are a few examples to show you some of the possible combinations.